Hello guys, welcome back to the family. In case you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. Kindly subscribe, and in case you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, on our today's video, it is a cook vlog. I'm going to make scrambled eggs with ugali, but I'm not really going to show the part of making ugali. It's just the scrambled eggs that I'm going to shoot. About the ugali, I'm going to use the Raha Premier. Yeah, the sweetest flour, maize flour around. So yes guys, let's get into the video of making scrambled eggs. Guys, have already made the ingredients. I've cut the onions, here they are. I've also cut the tomatoes and the hohos, and then here I have my eggs. Yes guys, about the spices, I'm still going to show you the spices that I'm going to use on my eggs. I realized that it makes work easier if you prepare the ingredients before you even start cooking. After you know what you want to cook, just prepare the ingredients, and yeah, it will save your time. Yeah. Instead of maybe the onion is there, I have to cut the potatoes, the tomatoes, that is. It's good when you just do everything, then you start cooking. And guys, if there is something that you have to cook while you're standing there, no matter what you have to do, it's the onions. Oh my goodness. The onions are this kind of a thing. It's like milk, you know. When you're boiling milk, you just look away even a second. Pop, it boils and then it overflows. And with the onions, if you just don't take note, or rather be keen when you're cooking the onions, they can just burn anytime. So you need to be there whenever you're cooking the onions. After the onions have started being golden brown, you can put your other ingredients, that is the tomatoes, the hohos, and any other thing that you want to put. So after your tomatoes have started getting ready a little bit, that's when now you can put, you can go in with your spices. And this is what I'm putting. I have the curry powder, I have the beef, what is it called? Cube, the beef cube, the Royco cube, that is beef. Then the Royco mchuzi mix, and then garlic powder. So yeah. then with that, I can go in with salt, yeah. And you should be careful when putting the salt, because personally I usually put some salt in the eggs so that the egg can have the taste of the salt. So you have to be careful when putting the salt in the tomatoes. Now you make sure that your tomatoes are ready, like ready, so that you don't find them while eating. I personally don't like that, finding like raw tomatoes. Okay, I better eat the raw tomatoes when it is raw, rather than it being raw and it's in cooked food. You get, yeah. So you have to make a paste. Then now with that, I can go in with my eggs. Yeah. So here is where the secret is. You have to reduce the flames, like really reduce them, the heat, and then you cover it like this. Remember, you want scrambled. Yeah, let it to heat for like 2 minutes. Yep. So now we open. When you open, you'll see something like this, and then you stir. This is how I usually personally prepare mine. So I doubt whether it will come out as scrambled. Yay! So there you are, and you have your supper, and it's done. It's done, guys. So guys, that is all for today. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wamboi, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm giving you around 1 second to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I do beauty and lifestyle, and cooking is part of lifestyle. So yeah, I major in beauty and lifestyle. Yes, so I'm giving you some time so that you can subscribe. Yep. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have learned maybe something. So yeah, always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, bye guys.